Yo, it's Gritty Gang, it's Gritty back with another video. In today's video, I have a jewelry review for you from Aporro Jewelry. So shout out to Aporro for sponsoring the video today and sending out your boys some pieces to show off to you guys. Now I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion on Aporro Jewelry. So if you're looking to purchase from them, watch the entire video. I'm gonna show you guys pretty much some pieces that I wear day to day that I think are really good pieces and will last. And I'm gonna show you some pieces that I feel like you should stay away from or just have it in the back of your mind, some information when considering purchasing some of this jewelry. So the link to any of this stuff will be down in the description, but I just advise you watch the entire video before you do so. Smash the like button because it's free to support the channel, you feel me? Subscribe if you're new, but we gonna hop right into it. So before we hop into the review, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of background on jewelry and materials and things like that, because I know a lot of people are going to come on here and be like, yo, that's fake jewelry, And one thing you have to take into consideration that there are different ways that jewelry is made and presented to you. You see what I'm saying? So one thing I want to start off with is that what people consider fake jewelry is typically your things like Cuban zirconia, you have your gold plated stuff. And what people have to keep in mind is that what really makes jewelry fake, I guess you can say, is walking around and showing off and flexing jewelry as if it's real when it's not gold jewelry and it's not diamond jewelry. You get what I'm saying? That's what really makes it fake, because jewelry is made from a ton of different materials. You have different fashion and high fashion brands that create jewelry just for fashion purposes, and they aren't made of gold and silver and platinum or whatever you may have it. You know what I'm saying? So take that into consideration. Think about that first and what you're using the jewelry for. If you're wearing jewelry on a day-to-day basis, you're gonna wanna invest in things such as solid gold jewelry or solid sterling silver or stainless steel, platinum, whatever you may have, you know what I'm saying? So take that into consideration, and then we're gonna hop right into the review. So when you purchase from Aporro, what you will receive your jewelry in is one of these boxes. Now, this is a nice dust-free jewelry box. I personally carry my jewelry in a box that I purchase elsewhere, but if you do not have that, this is a perfect thing for you. You are able to kind of storage your jewelry, take it along with you. It won't get beat up in this box. But here you have this. When you open it up, you receive another dust bag to kind of keep different pieces of jewelry from scratching each other or whatever you may have it. You got that right there. You also have a cleaning cloth to wipe off any type of oil or dirt on your jewelry. Then you just have some extra stuff like stickers. Lastly, it comes with this little card which pretty much has some information about the jewelry. They have their socials and stuff like that, and they also have a discount code when you purchase. So you have that in the box. So we're gonna hop into the jewelry now. I have some stuff that I wear a little bit more regularly. It's gonna be like more of like earrings and rings and stuff like that, but I'm gonna save some of like the newer, crazier stuff to the end, so make sure y'all watch the full video. But I'm gonna start off with this new series that they have, which is the GOAT series. Now it kind of looks like some Polo G inspired jewelry. If you guys seen his new chain, it's actually crazy. But they have that, and they have a pendant, they have a ring, and they also have some new like clasps and stuff like that. I'll kind of show you how the clasps work when I get more into the bracelets. But you got the GOAT series. Everything is kind of big, so like I'm not too sure how often you can wear it. Now I do believe the ring is sterling silver, so the quality on the ring and I believe the pendant will be solid. The price is kind of up there for sterling silver, I'm not gonna lie, but this is like the more logical thing to buy, you know what I'm saying? Stay away from the gold plated. Majority of their chains are gold plated, so depending on what you want to wear it for. Now I typically wear some of this stuff for like maybe a photo shoot or something where I know I'm just gonna put the jewelry on, take it off right after. That way I'm not doing any wear and tear, the gold is not gonna rub off and stuff like that. But this isn't something that you're gonna be able to just take a shower in. You're not gonna be able to get it wet and stuff like that without a lot of damage coming along with it. So that's what I'm saying, take into consideration when you're purchasing some of this stuff. But you have that. You You got the ring. As far as this chain goes and the bracelet as well, is they have this new clasp. Now, this is a lot better because a lot of jewelry companies make these bracelets and chains and they tend to just like pop off super easily. So they have this new mechanism to where you pretty much just open up the top of it on the clasp, you put the chain in there, and then you clip it in. Super secure, so you can kind of like do whatever you want in this. It's not gonna fall off really easily. So you have that. One of the things that I've had for a while now is one of these bracelets. Now this is the older style clasp, so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. But this bracelet is kind of dope because it has this different tones of colors. You have your silver, gold, and rose gold. So this is one that I kind of like to put in like photo shoots and stuff like that. Some of the newer items that I got was this ankle bracelet. Now I think ankle bracelet is a dope idea for men in general. It kind of just adds a different accessory to your outfit, kind of has your eye travel around the foot area a little bit more. I got this one in like this black stone look. I feel like it was a bit different from your typical everyday jewelry, but you also have like your white gold color as well though. So depending on what you want, they got it. Now, one of my favorite pieces that I've worn pretty often is this like infinity bracelet. It has these infinity signs, huge stones on them, cubic zirconia stones, and you have these spikes. Now, I believe this is plated as well, and it's kind of starting to wear just a little bit, just from some normal everyday scratches and stuff like that. I don't wear this every day, but you can kind of see where the wear and tear will come in, so take that into consideration. Now, some of the new pieces that I got that I really wanted to show off to y'all was these 2 star rings. Now you have your moon and star ring, which is absolutely crazy. These are like some really big rings, so I think they really will look dope in photo shoots and stuff like that. These, I want to say is sterling silver. By the way, I have like the whole chart of what materials is what, but these right here are crazy, man. This star ring right here in particular is one that you would see on like most rappers. Like most rappers that are popping probably got this ring on, you know what I'm saying? It hits just as hard in my opinion. I've seen some of these rings like diamonds and gold, so it hits just as good. You won't be able to tell from the eye, but if you get that joint tested, you know what I'm saying, it ain't gonna be diamonds, you feel me? But it still has the same look, so if you're looking for that look of it, this might be a good purchase for you. Now, they do have different sizing and stuff like that, even when it comes down to the chains in general. So make sure you have like a size in mind or some kind of way you can size it in centimeters. Usually you can just get like some type of like one of those flexible rulers, wrap it around your wrist, wrap it around your finger, whatever you may have it. But you got that. I also got this eternity ring, which has these super huge stones in it, and I think it's dope. Sterling silver as well. So most of the rings are gonna be sterling silver. You kind of want to watch out because when you're washing your hands and stuff, you don't want to really worry about your ring. So I got this ring. I've done a lot with it, washed my hands, all that, and it still held up. So now lastly, I have these 2 dangling earrings. Now I'm gonna say this is probably the most popular thing from Aporro. This is what I've seen most people get, and it's these dangling earrings right here. Now these are sterling silver as well. This I probably wear a lot more often than any of this other jewelry in here, just because it's earrings, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Earrings is like an everyday thing. These are definitely fire. So if you're looking for that type of look, you can definitely go with these. I have this lightning bolt one as well. They always have like some type of like stock problem with these. Like they never have them in stock. But if you can look up and find them on there, here they are. But like I said, if you would like to purchase from Aporro, the link will be down in the description. Just take in consideration what you're buying. Really look at the description and see what material it's made out of. Then you can make a better judgment on if it is worth the buy or not. But that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you go and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Like, I always gotta stress that, but you know what I'm saying, it really does help. Also, if you can hit your boy up with a follow or something on the gram, that'd be nice. But do whatever makes you feel happy, you know what I'm saying? But I'm out. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Lil' mama, party girl, she just wanna have fun too. They say you ain't wifey type, but I don't